In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view financial data on TradingView. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find a company's key fundamentals and how to display them right on your chart so you can blend price action with real business metrics. Start on any chart in TradingView. With your chart open, look toward the top of the screen for the Indicators button. It's typically at the upper area of the chart interface and may show as indicators or a small FX icon. Click it. This opens a panel where TradingView organizes all the tools and data you can layer onto your chart. If this is your first time exploring it, don't worry. Everything is grouped clearly so you can get where you need quickly. On the left side of that panel, you'll see a set of categories. These help you browse by type rather than sifting through a long list. Look for the category labeled Fundamentals. That's where TradingView collects financial data for supported symbols. Inside, you'll find things like revenue, earnings per share, net income, margins, and commonly watched ratios. This information lets you analyze how the underlying company is performing, not just how its price is moving. Keep in mind, availability can depend on the instrument you're viewing, the market it trades on, and the data TradingView has for that symbol. Once you're in Fundamentals, simply click on the financial metric you want to see. The moment you select one, TradingView applies it to your chart automatically. You'll notice a line, bars, or another visual element appear, often aligned along the same timeline as your price data. Depending on the specific metric, it may overlay on the price area or show in a separate pane beneath the main chart for clarity. Hover your cursor over the chart to read precise values at different points in time, and watch how changes in fundamentals correspond to moves in price. This view can help you spot trends like rising revenue alongside a strengthening uptrend, or declining earnings during a consolidation. That's all there is to it. Click Indicators, open the Fundamentals category on the left, and choose the financial metric you want. In just a few clicks, you bring business performance into your technical view, giving your analysis more depth. If you don't immediately see the data you expect, it may be because the selected symbol doesn't include that metric. Try another supported symbol to compare. With this simple process, you're ready to blend fundamentals with your charting routine and make your research more informed and efficient.